Hi everybody, Pratik Shah here, EsquireTek. I wanted to create this video just so I could show you guys some of the cool new features that were just released. If you log into your EsquireTek account, you'll see these already in there and you'll be able to use them right away. Most of these features are in response to requests by our users, so I appreciate everybody that's giving us feedback and giving us requests. We can go ahead and create them. The engineers got to work and created these in the last 30 days, so I really appreciate that. One of the things that was requested is that when the clients respond via text message or email, we get their client responses here on the right side, and we need to transfer them here to the attorney response side to put our objections in and edit the client answers, so on and so forth. So the way you have to do it now is you have to click copy to attorney response one by one on each answer. And so what a lot of people requested is to have a single button they could press that would transfer all the client responses over at one time. And that's exactly what the engineers created right here. It says copy all to attorney response. So you click it, you're going to get this little box pop up. It's just telling you that the feature is best used if you haven't already copied individual answers over. So if you've already copied some over, don't use this feature. This is only if you want to copy all of them over at once. You just click yes, and now all the answers are going to get transferred over to the attorney response side. And what you can do is you can still go ahead, click in there and click objections and do all the things you need to do to get your discovery done. One of the things we've added for our California clients is the ability, when you create your proof of service, the ability to add more opposing counsels to the proof of service. So you click edit. Instead of just one, which we've had for several months, you now click add additional counsel, add additional counsel. You can now add up to 5 opposing counsel information. And where that information is going to print is going to be on the second page of the proof of service. It's a page called Service List, and it'll list perfectly formatted all of the information of opposing counsel. Everything that you put in here will automatically print onto there. A couple of other cool features is right here on the dashboard. You're going to be able to see what state the case is housed in. So for our law firms that have cases in multiple states, maybe they've got cases in California and Nevada, et cetera, you no longer have to look at the case number or the claim number to try to figure out what state that case is housed in. You can see it right here. If it's a California case, obviously we'll say California, Nevada, Minnesota. You can kind of see it in one glance. We also went ahead and added the ability for our clients in Tennessee and our clients in Nevada to create proofs of service or certificates of service as they're called in those states. So before, for the last several months, we've only had proof of service available in California, but now it's also available in Tennessee, which is where they call it a certificate of service, and it's now available also in Nevada. We're working on our other states like Texas and Florida, but we don't have them yet, so you won't see the ability to add in opposing counsel information and create that proof of service or certificate of service for that state. But for now, for Tennessee and Nevada, you are able to. Those are the cool things we've released this month. Appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.